Jurassic Coast is England's only natural World Heritage Site. The Jurassic Coast begins at Exmouth, Devon, and continues for 95 miles to Old Harry Rocks near Swanage, Dorset. To give a clearer idea to my Chinese audience, it equals 152 kilometers, which is about the distance from Shanghai to Hangzhou in China. Jurassic Coast is so famous not only because of its beautiful landscape, more importantly, of its incredible geology of global importance. The outstanding universal value of its rocks, fossils, and landforms is just breathtaking. You might wonder, what is so special about the geology here? We all know that Phanerozoic, including Palaeozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic, within which Mesozoic includes Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. Jurassic Coast rocks offer an almost complete record of the entire Mesozoic. That is why it is so special. The Jurassic Coast runs from around 250 to 65 million years ago. The Triassic Period runs from 252 to 201 million years ago. And then is the Jurassic Period that runs from 201 to 145 million years ago. The sea level rose and changed the desert into a tropical sea. At the close of the Jurassic, sea levels fell, a forest grew, then died, and was buried beneath the sediment of lagoon swamps and rivers. This was the start of Cretaceous that runs from 145 to 66 million years ago. In 2016, I visited Lulworth Cove. This cove was formed 10,000 years ago by the power of water as a result of bands of rock of alternating geological resistance running parallel to the coastline. On the seaward side, the clays and sands have been eroded away. Look at here. The shape of the cove is a result of wave diffraction. The narrow entrance to the cove caused the waves to bend into an arc shape. And this is Old Harry Rock I visited in 2016. Old Harry Rocks are a pair of chalk stacks near Swanage. It was created through thousands of years of erosion by the sea. The chalk ridge was formed approximately 65 million years ago, when the area was under a shallow sea, causing deposits from sea creatures dying and falling to the seabed slowly built up over millions of years to create the chalk ridge, and plate tectonics brought the chalk up above the sea level before the last ice age. Rising sea levels at the end of last ice age combined with erosion channeled out the chalk ridge, creating Old Harry in the process. It's very hard to imagine. The land where I'm standing used to be a paradise for dinosaurs. When the whole world is fighting COVID-19, nature is quietly but constantly shaping the landscape surrounding us. When I think of that, I feel so humble in front of Mother Nature. Who knows what it will be like in another millions of years?